Close your eyes, Mommy. Let's do it. Now. No, come on, finish. What are you doing? Oh, look at my nose. Finger nose. Hi, baby cat. Yeah, baby cat. Yes. Mommy, help me. That's it. I like it now. I like it. You like it now? I pick my nose, Mommy. Right now. Like that. Wait lang. Let's go. Wait lang. Oh! Let's put in. Ang dali na. Look at mommy. Flowers. Say cheese. Where's mine? Let's put bow. What's a bow? I got purple bow. What time is it? Now. Pink. What do you want for pink? Okay. Tie to my hand. Mommy, tie to my hand. Don't move, love. Red, Mommy. So. Wow, my face still cute. I talk now. See meow? Yeah. No, you have bow. You have bow. Mommy have black pen. Let's say next one again. Put it down. I can reach it. Can you reach it now? Yes. It's so wet. It's so purple now. You did? I think I know most. I paint my face, Mommy. Mommy make a tiger, okay? Oh. Sit down. A cat now. You're a cat. You're a tiger now. Okay. I'm not tiger. I'm Mimi. You're Mimi. Come back here. Daddy's working. Oi, dali na. I say hello to Mimi. You say hello to Mimi. You get Mimi first. Dali. Okay, let's make orange. Mimi, have you been, Mimi? What? have reached me. I have Mimi. I told you. Wait, what's that? No, I reached Mimi. I can reach Mimi. I reached Mimi, Mommy. I reached Mimi. Okay. Mommy, I do it. I do a hero doggy. Mommy, I can do it on my own. Mommy, I climb on table, Mommy. Wait lang. I climb on table, Mommy. I climb on table. Okay, go. Wait lang. It's my tongue. I show you. What?
She wants an ice lolly.
We don't have ice lolly, no?
We've got 2 left.
What two left? Ice cream? Ah, okay. Let's get one.
You going to share it with Daddy or Mummy? You want to share it with Daddy? Ice cream's okay, isn't it?
Oh, but it's not good for you, ice cream.
So you'll have to share it with Mummy.
It's my big cat.
We got an intense dark or an almond.
Classic.
We're going to classic. She won't like these. We got any ice cream in the tub?
No.
Georgia, we don't have any ice cream. We don't have ice cream. Sorry. I'm sorry, we don't have ice cream. Mummy will get some from the shop. Oops, Daisy.
We'll get ice lolly later, love.
We'll go for a walk later and we'll get some from the shop, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, let's get ice lolly.
We'll get ice lollies from the shop later.
Come here, Georgie. Look at Mommy. Mommy. You want? But last time you didn't eat it. No, I eat it. It's my tongue. It's my tongue, Mommy. Because it's cold. No,